Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your government ID to the Airbnb app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Airbnb app. And here it usually opens up in the Explore page where we have some suggestions and some offers. From here we have to go into Profile in the bottom right corner. And then tap on personal information, and here as the last option we find government ID. We can just tap on this, and here we can add our ID, thereby verifying our account as well. And we can just photograph it and upload it to the app. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.